Hi guys, good morning. I am Binod and I have brought very important grammar lessons in this video. So the grammar lessons are do, does and did. So guys, how to use all these three grammar lessons in the sentence. So in this video exactly I am just going to tell you all the details of do, does and did, how to use in the sentence. So guys, watch this video till end. This is really very good for all the beginners. First of all, I can start with a point, very important point. First of all, when you want to use the do, then you have to use with the plural nouns, just like you, we, they, I. So guys, you have to use the do with the plural nouns. If I talk about the does, then you have to use with the singular noun, just like he, she, it, single names, not more than one person. So you have to use like that. Now I can tell you about the did also. So guys, with the did you can use both the nouns, either you want to use the singular nouns or the plural nouns, both are correct. You can use any one of them, so there is no any problem. So guys, first of all I can start with the do. So guys, all the sentences will come on the screen, you can see. If you like, then you can note down. So guys, my first sentence with the do, that is I work in private company. So guys, it's a very simple, I work in private company. If you want to add do here, then you can use like that, I do work in private company. So guys, both the sentences are correct. You can use any one of them, there is no any problem. But guys, whenever you want to use the negative sentence, then you must use the do, otherwise your sentence will not be completed. So I can tell you the negative sentence also. I do not work in private company. It's a very simple, you have to use like that, I do not work in private company. So guys, now I can tell you about the interrogative sentence also. The interrogative sentence, that is, so it's a question, so do you work in the private company? So it's a very simple and just you have to use like that. Now I can tell you the second examples also. I talk with the friends. So similarly guys, you have to follow the same rule as I followed in the first sentence also. If you want to add do here, then you can add something like that, I do talk with the friends. So guys, both the sentences are correct, you can use any one of them. As I told you in the first sentence, if you want to use the negative sentence, then the do is a really important, you have to use the do, just like that, I do not talk with the friends. So guys, you have to use like that. Now I can tell you about the interrogative sentence also. The interrogative sentence, it's a question, you should ask to someone, just like do you talk with a friend. So guys, these are really very important. So it was all about the do. Now I can tell you about the does also, how to use in the sentence. In the beginning I have already told you, with the does we have to use with the singular nouns, just like he, she, name, it, not more than one person. So you have to use like that. Now I can tell you the sentence with the does. So my first sentence, that is, he works in the private company. So guys, you have to use like that. Similarly, if you want to add the does here, then you can add just like that, he does work in private company. So you can use any one of them, but yes, there is a small points when you want to use the he works. So guys, I have used the s after the verb. Work is a verb. So when you want to use the does, then you cannot add the s. He does work, you have to use like that. So this is important. So now I can tell you the negative sentence also. So negative sentence, that is, he doesn't work in the private company. So guys, just you have to use like that, he doesn't work in the private company. Now I can tell you about the interrogative sentence also. It's a question, does he work in private company? So you have to use like that. So guys, I have told you about the first sentence of does. Now I can tell you about the second sentence, that is, he talks with a friend. So guys, it's a simple, just like the first sentence, you have to use like that. If you want to add does here, then you can add something like that, he does talk with a friend. So guys, both are the correct, you can use any one of them. If I talk about the negative sentence here, you must use the does, just like that, he doesn't talk with a friend. So guys, it's a very simple and you have to use like that. The interrogative sentence, that is, does he talk with a friend? So guys, this is the use of does and you have to use like that. Now I can tell you about the did, how to use the did in the past. As I told you in the beginning, with the did you can use both the nouns, just like singular nouns or the plural nouns also, so you can use any one of them. So guys, first of all I can tell you about the did. So guys, the did is a really very important, it's a kind of the additional advantage for us to use the sentence for the past. So my first sentence, that is, he did work in private company. So guys, just you have to use like that, he did work in the private company. There is no any problem. It's a really very easier. With the negative sentence, it's a very simple, he didn't work in private company. Just you have to use like that. An interrogative sentence, that is, did he work in private company. So guys, you have to use like that. It's a very simple. Now I can tell you the second sentence also. It's a simple, he did talk with the friends. Just you have to use like that. With the negative sentence, that is, he didn't talk with the friends. So it's a very easier, you have to use like that. If I talk about the interrogative sentence, that is, did he talk with the friends. This is the use of do, does and did, how to use in the regular sentence, and just you have to use like that. Before closing the video, as I do with my all videos, I would like to give you two tips here. First tips, that is about the practice, and the second tips, that is about the vocabularies, in the sense word meaning. So you have to focus on practice also and vocabularies also. So guys, the practice is a really very important, because if you want to learn the English, so guys, you must do the practice. Otherwise definitely you will face some problem to get some knowledge, right? So practice is a really important. If I talk about the vocabularies, it's a word meaning, equally important, just like a grammar lesson. So guys, make sure whenever you are practicing for the grammar lesson, then you have to focus on like the word meanings also. Make habit to write down around 3 to 4 words every day on your notebook and just memorize it. So definitely it will help you to grow the English language, right? So you have to follow such a things. So guys, so you have to follow just like that. So guys, if you like my video, then you can subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, then you can write down in the comment box. So guys, I'm just going to close this video. Till then, take care and bye. Thank you guys.